Hello class, my name is Mr. Wall and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a trifold foldable for your notes. For your trifold foldable you're going to need three things: a sheet of paper, some scissors, and something to write with. Step 1 of your trifold foldable, grab your sheet of paper and you're going to fold it lengthwise, or hot dog style for those of you who remember it being called that in elementary school. Once you have made your crease, like so, you're going to need to take your pencil or pen and write in some labels across the front of your trifold foldable. Now for the first assignment, your labels are Hunter-Gatherer Period, Agricultural Revolution, and Industrial Revolution. Once you have written these in, you can move on to the next step, which is cutting your trifold foldable. Now I've already made the cuts on this one. As you can see, I cut here in between Hunter-Gatherer Period and Agricultural Revolution. And then I made another cut between the Agricultural Revolution and the Industrial Revolution. Once you have made these cuts, you can move on to the next step, which is filling in your foldable with information. Under the Hunter-Gatherer Period here, I'm expecting two things on your first assignment: characteristics of the Hunter-Gatherer Period and the effect that the hunter-gatherers had on the environment. Same thing for the Agricultural Revolution. Again, characteristics up top, effect on the environment down on the bottom. And then for the Industrial Revolution, characteristics and effect on the environment. Now, with this trifold foldable, you can use it for self-quizzing. So maybe ask yourself, what are some characteristics of the Hunter-Gatherer Period? And then think about for a moment, give your answer, and then read off what your notes were underneath it. If you were right, move on to the next one. If you were wrong, study back over the notes. So this is just one tool that you can use for self-quizzing. You can get somebody else to quiz you with it. All right? So use this wisely. Use it to study for your first quiz. And I look forward to seeing all of your beautiful foldables in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.